Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the speed limit warning on or off on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Learn how to turn the speed limit warning on or off, as well as how to add or remove speed limits from the map on Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then choose Navigation from the options. Select Safety Guide Settings. Tap On to the right of Speed Limit Warning to enable or disable the warning. When there is an orange dot to the left of On, the speed limit warning is enabled, and when there is no orange dot, you will not be notified about speed limits. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.